Today, we're diving into a powerful 5-minute stretch routine designed to release tension in your hamstrings, unlock your hips, and bring relief to your spine. Whether you're waking up stiff, recovering from a workout, or spending too much time sitting, this flow is perfect for you. No equipment is needed, just a little space and a mat or soft surface. In these 5 minutes, we'll combine gentle stretches with dynamic movements to leave you feeling looser, lighter, and ready to take on the day. We'll start with standing forward fold to wake up your hamstrings, flow into side lunges for hip mobility, and finish with some deep chest and spine openers. Most people might skip this kind of self-care, but not you. You've made it this far, and that's a win already. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel refreshed, flexible, and fully aligned. Enough talk, let's hit the mat. Let's start with a classic stretch to gently wake up your hamstrings and spine. Standing forward folds feel like a full body sigh of relief. Begin standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale to lengthen your spine and exhale as you hinge forward from your hips. Let your upper body hang heavy, releasing your head and neck. Reach for your shins, ankles, or the floor, depending on your flexibility. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings, decompresses your spine, and promotes relaxation. I promise by the end, you'll feel calmer and more mobile. Beginners, bend your knees slightly and rest your hands on your thighs or shins. Advanced stretches, straighten your legs fully and try to place your palms on the ground. Now that we've loosened up your hamstrings, let's add some dynamic movement with side lunges. Ready to wake up your hips and legs? This dynamic stretch combines side lunges with a runner stretch for full lower body mobility. Start in a wide leg stance with your feet pointing forward. Shift your weight to your right leg, bending your knee into a side lunge while keeping your left leg straight. Place your hands on the floor or your thigh for support. Then transition to a runner stretch by reaching both hands down towards your right foot. Alternate sides, flowing smoothly for 1 minute. This movement opens your hips, stretches your hamstrings, and improves lower body flexibility. By the end, you'll feel energized and mobile. Beginners, keep your lunges shallow and place your hands on a block for support. Advanced stretches, deepen each lunge and hold the runner stretch for a few extra seconds. Now that your hips and hamstrings are warmed up, let's focus on internal hip rotation with the next stretch. Hips feeling tight? This seated stretch is perfect for improving mobility and releasing hidden tension in your hip joints. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Wider than hip width apart, drop your right knee towards your left foot. Then come back to center and drop your left knee towards your right foot. Continue alternating sides slowly for 1 minute, focusing on smooth movement. This stretch targets internal hip rotation, often overlooked but essential for healthy movement. I promise you'll feel looser and more mobile in your hips by the end. Beginners, place your hands behind you for added support. Advanced stretchers, keep your torso upright and add a forward fold over each side for a deeper stretch. With your hips relaxed, let's shift to the mat and focus on your spine with Sphinx Pose. Sphinx Pose is like hitting the refresh button for your spine. It's gentle but incredibly effective. Lie on your stomach with your legs extended and elbows under your shoulders, forearms parallel. Press into your forearms and lift your chest slightly, keeping your shoulders away from your ears. Relax your lower back and take deep, slow breaths as you hold the pose. This pose gently stretches your lower back, improves posture, and opens your chest. I promise you'll feel relieved and open by the end. Beginners, keep the lift minimal to avoid the strain on your lower back. Advanced stretches, press into your palms and lift slightly higher for a deeper back bend. Let's finish strong with a kneeling chest opener to expand your posture and energy. time to open your chest and breathe deeply. This stretch is a perfect way to close out the routine and boost your energy. Kneel on your mat with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your chest as you gently pull your arms away from your back, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply into your chest. This stretch counteracts slouching, improves posture, and encourages deep breathing for an energy boost. By the end, you'll feel open, strong, and ready for the day. Beginners, hold a towel or strap between your hands if clasping is uncomfortable. Advanced stretchers add a slight back bend for a deeper stretch. If you're always sitting at a desk and feel tired, maybe stiff sometimes, and feel like your health is falling out of your control, go check out the free gift I have here in the description.